Hello friends, I am Savi Goyal and today we will learn sounds block. This is the sounds block. So, sounds block is basically used to add sound to your Scratch project. Let's start now. So the first block is play sound meow until done. So when I click over here, it will play the sound meow. You are able to listen it, right? Yes. So it will play meow until done. Means until the sound fully is done, it will play meow sound. Same goes with the second block. It is start sound meow. So it will just start the sound. This is stop all sound. So if this sound is going, I have to be a little quicker. So then I stopped it. So it stopped. This is change pitch effect by 10. You can see this. I'll just click this 100 times. Yes. What happened to the sound meow? It's funny. So this is pitch effect, and over here there are many effects. Means one effect mode, so you can also use that. So this is this set pitch effect to 100. So it's 100 now. Listen what will happen. It's same, right? Over here you can see this. Over here now, if I want to make it more faster, so I can make it from here. I can change the whole, sound. I don't know what happened to the sound because I've changed all of these things, right? So this is the sound library. 1 second. This is the sound library. So when I click over here, I get all the sound options. So I can choose any sound I want. But if I don't know what is the sound of this trumpet, so over here you can see this. Just keep your cursor of the mouth pointed over here. So you will be able to hear what is it. So I will have to take a guitar, and I'll just read this. What happened with it? Dum, like this. So this is guitar. So when I click over here, it will change the pan effect, and now the voice is a little bit changed. So that's the meaning of this clear sound effect. So now when I click over here, it will clear all the sound effect, and now it will make how the guitar was, like this. It was like this. No, I'll just show you once again. The voice is a little changed. Now when I click over here, and then it takes a little longer note. So that's this. It means makes the sound proper. This is change volume by -10. So volume, if I want low volume, so it's being played, but you cannot hear it because the voice doesn't goes there. Now when I click over here, it will go to the highest sound where it can. Okay. So, and this is volume. Now it will say how much volume is set over here now. So it's 100. The volume is set to 100 now. So it's saying 100. I have set it to 2 lakh. But there's no has so much sound, so volume level. So Scratch has only last volume level till 100. So that's why it's saying only 100, not 2 lakh. So when I click over here on maybe 90, and then I click over here, the volume is being played. Now it will not show 100, it will show 90. So that's this, and thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Little Genius Chavi. Bye bye.